So hi there, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how can you make an application using Python tkinter which converts the color of the PDF, or you may say it inverts the PDF. So as you can see, I'm using the Linux system, but this application will work on Windows also. So this is the first video of its kind on YouTube that uses the GUI application to invert the PDF colors. Actually, I needed this tool, and since I use Linux, so I was not having any of the application on App Store that did my job. Of course, there were some other websites that did this job, but they added a watermark to the inverted PDF, or if they doesn't edit the watermark, then they allowed to convert or invert the 40 to 50 pages for free. So I decided to create one of my own with no watermark and no any limitations of pages that I can convert. So okay, I will be showing you how this application works and what are the concepts that I have used to create this application. So let me quickly navigate to the directory where I have kept my application. So I will be opening the files, and then I will go to the directory where I am having my application. So yeah, this is the application's main directory, and I'll be using this main.py. It is the main program that draws the tkinter window on the screen. So I will be minimizing all the other things. You can see the code here. I will show you what are the concepts. So you can see I have used here threading concept to just speed up the work, and so let me run the program and show you the main UI of the application. I will minimize all other things from the background, and you can see the main UI of the program now. Now to show you the example, I will open this PDF here on my desktop with the Microsoft Edge. So since I am recording at the same time, so my system is quite slow, so the Edge will take a little bit time to launch. So we'll be waiting for that. So here it goes, and you can see this PDF. The PDF is having black background, and I will be inverting this PDF with my application. So I will minimize it now, and I will now start the process. So I will be selecting this source file here, the same PDF I will be choosing here. So I will go to the desktop, and then I will be choosing this PDF right here. Now create output file, and I will click here, and I will just name my inverted PDF file as inverted PDF. So yeah, I have done, and now I will click save. And to show you the memory consumption and the CPU consumption, I will open the system monitor besides it, and now you can see this CPU uses is roughly 50%, and the memory uses is 2.2 GB. Now I will start the application, and you can see there is a abrupt rise in the CPU uses. As you know, I have used the threading concept, so yeah, this will use the 100% power of the CPU, not 100%, but yeah, it will be using the CPU power so efficiently so that the work is done faster. And for memory, you can see it goes to only 2.5 GB, so this application uses roughly 300 MB of RAM. And now you can see the inversion is successful, so I will click OK, and now I will show you inverted file. So let me close all other things and open this inverted PDF, and you can see the inverted PDF right here. So you can see this page is having 69 pages, and 69 pages were converted so fastly even if I was using the screen recorder. So this application works very fast, consumes low memory, and uses all the power of your CPU. And yeah, I think you like this video. For source code, you can DM me on my Instagram. The link to my Instagram is in description. Thank you very much.